Nothing puts a damper on your day or week like costly damage to your vehicle. Energy Suspension's front bump stops help protect your suspension from some serious damage. OE bump stops are made from rubber, which can wear out quickly, plus they're prone to cracking and falling apart. Energy Suspension's bump stops are made out of a rugged HyperFlex polyurethane, which is super resistant to wear and tear and will last longer than factory options. By replacing your OE bump stops with Energy Suspension's front bump stops, you can take to the road with confidence knowing that your suspension is protected. These bump stops feature a uniquely designed threaded stud with a strong nylon locking nut system and are guaranteed to outlast original rubber bump stops. If you're looking to add performance and longevity to your ride, these bump stops are a must. Most styles are available in a red or black finish to enhance the style of your ride. If you're interested in purchasing the front bump stops from Energy Suspension Parts or looking to have them installed, check out the dealer locator below. Don't forget to subscribe for new product videos each week. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.